Hi everyone, I just want to pop on quickly today to show you my top tips about how to build a hashtag strategy. So I'm going to just pop on over to my Instagram. Now this does work better if you're on a desktop. So here's my desktop view of my Instagram profile. So hopefully by now you'll have done your study about who your niche clients are, what their pain points are, how you can serve them. So you have an idea of what you would like to build as your hashtag strategy. So up in this top button, there's a search bar. And I'm just going to put in for today, for example, is I've typed in social media consulting. That's what I do. That's my business. It's a hashtag I use occasionally on my posts. Now, one thing to note is you can see here, as soon as I typed it in, it's given me some variations. Social media consulting comes up with nearly 59,000 posts, so quite a popular one, not one of the viral ones, so that's fine. I don't need to avoid it. And you can see there's other variations here. Now, I'm imagining some of these are typing errors, consulting agency, couldn't see it. So that's fine, that's another variation, but it's worth just looking when you type it in to have a look at what's there. But I'm going to go ahead and go back to just doing the social media consulting. So again, I goes on to it now, and what's showing here is the top posts. So all of these posts here have used that hashtag amongst all the others, and you can see this one's had 251 and 24 comments. This one's had 530 likes and 6 comments. So that's how the algorithm's ranking them. So you can take some time and have a look at those if that's what you'd like to follow. But for today, for these purposes, what I want to show you is this little section here. This is really powerful because this is Instagram telling you hashtags that are related to the one you've put in. So I'm gonna, go down. I would keep a notepad somewhere. Social media consulting is one of them. I'd also have a look. Oh, digital marketing trends. Not quite on what my kind of content is about. Oh, grow your business online. I mean, that's one of my aims to help my clients. So I click on that. Here it goes. Tells me nearly 33,500 posts. So again, quite a good mix of things and lots more options here. So you can go on. Instagram Tips for Business, again, is one I use. So like I always say, try to get a mixture of hashtags, some that have the really big high numbers, a lot more in this kind of region, there's sort of 20, 50, 60,000 uses of them. And then also think about using some much more targeted ones. Come up with a brand specific, create your own hashtag if you like. So let me know if this is useful, and good luck with finding all your own hashtags.